Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Squarespace with Mailchimp, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Select the website you want to configure. In the left-hand menu, navigate to the settings section. Scroll down to find the option labeled email campaigns. Click on email campaigns to access the settings. Now, look for the Connect a Mailchimp account button. Click on this button to start the integration process. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter your Mailchimp credentials. Enter your Mailchimp username and password. Click on Login to connect your accounts. After successful login, you will be redirected back to Squarespace. Make sure your Mailchimp account is now linked to your Squarespace site. Next, navigate back to the Settings menu. Select Advanced from the options available. Now click on External Services. Here, you will see a section specifically for Mailchimp settings. Fill in the required information, such as your Mailchimp list name. Ensure that your list is set to collect emails from your website visitors. Once you finish filling out the information, click on Save. That's it for the initial configuration. To further customize your Mailchimp sign-up form, head back to your Mailchimp account. In Mailchimp, navigate to the Audience section. Click on Sign-up Forms to create a custom form. Customize the form fields and design to match your brand. After setting it up, save your changes. Return to Squarespace to place the sign-up form on your site. Go to the page where you want the form to appear. Add a new block by clicking on the plus icon. Select the code block option from the menu. Paste the Mailchimp form embed code into the code block. Click Apply to save your changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.